All right, this is a set of bed sheet fasteners. Now, this is a 2-pack. These were not sent to me. We bought these ourselves. But you can see here on the front, leading you a more comfortable life. One side fits all beds. So you get 2 of these in here, and you're able to easily just strap them underneath your bed, like so, to hold on your sheet. So that way, when you're sleeping at night, your sheet's not gonna come off, and you don't gotta deal with making your bed all the time. So let's take these out real quick. This is it for the box. So here they are. Like I said, there is 2 of them, so you're able to use these to clip right onto your sheets, and they clip into place. Hold each side, and then you stretch it underneath your bed to the other corner, like shown here. And they're just nice, stretchy sheet fasteners. And this is the little metal clip here. As you can see, you just kind of pull it back, put your sheet in, and then clamp it down. Shouldn't really go anywhere. And this is all stretchy, so it'll reach any size bed, as it says. So that'll do it for these sheet fasteners. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.